How to create a bar chart in Origin. Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand.
Have you ever just stared at a spreadsheet full of numbers and thought, how on earth do I make this make sense to anyone? Yeah, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're going to take that raw data and turn it into a sharp, professional-looking bar chart, step by step using Origin. It's going to be quick, I promise. Let's get started.
And really, this is the big question, isn't it? A big old table of numbers, it doesn't really grab you. In fact, it kind of makes your brain work overtime. To make a real impact, we've got to translate those numbers into a visual story, something people can just get in a single glance.
Okay, so take a look at this. This is our starting point. We've got 4 categories, 4 values. Right now, to figure out what's going on, you have to read each line, remember the numbers, and then compare them in your head. It's slow, it's clunky, and honestly, it's not very convincing, is it? We are going to fix that, and it'll only take a few clicks.
All right, first up, let's make our very first bar chart. You're about to see just how easy this is. Seriously, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. You just highlight the data you want to use, head up to the plot menu, go to 2D, and click bar chart. And boom! Just like that, Origin does all the heavy lifting for you. No messing with formulas, no complicated setup. The chart just appears.
And just like that, we have a basic chart. But, a simple bar chart isn't really enough, is it? We want to make it look good. We're here to tell a story, after all. A basic chart shows you the numbers, sure, but a really well-designed chart, that makes you feel the data. And that's exactly what we're going to do next.
Okay, time to add that professional touch. This is where we start customizing to get real clarity and impact. You'd be amazed at what a few small changes can do. Think about it. You can change the bar colors, maybe make them match your company's branding, or even use a nice gradient. You can add the numbers right onto the bars themselves, so your audience isn't squinting and trying to guess the values. And of course, editing the axis titles to be super clear. That gets rid of any confusion. Each of these things takes, a second? But together, they make your chart so much easier to understand.
So let's talk about the power of doing this. Why does visualization work so well? Well, it's all about seeing the story that's hiding in your data.
Just look at this. Now, compare this to that boring old table we started with. What took us a while to figure out before is now obvious in like a split second. You can see instantly that product D is the clear winner, right? And product A is kind of lagging behind. That's the story. And we told it without adding a single extra word.
All right, so what if you need to take this thing even further? Maybe you're preparing a chart for a scientific journal or a big conference presentation. Well, there are a few more tools we can use for that.
For example, in scientific work, adding error bars to show the variability in your data is absolutely crucial. Or, hey, what if your work is going to be printed in black and white? Using patterns and fills instead of just colors makes sure it's still perfectly readable. And of course, when you're all done, you can export it as a super high-resolution image so it looks crisp and professional in any paper or slide deck you put it in.
And there you have it. That's the game plan. We've gone from a silent, boring table of numbers to a clear, eye-catching visual that actually speaks for itself. It communicates professionally, and it tells a really compelling story.
So that just leaves one question, and it's for you. What story is hiding in your data, just waiting for you to tell it?
And subscribe now for more amazing videos just like that. Thanks for watching.